Hey guys, what's up? What's up? Welcome back to Eating with Jay. I'm Jay, but you already know that by now. We're going to pray and we're going to get into it because we got a good one today. Thank you for this food that I'm now about to receive from the nourishment of my body, feed my soul for Christ's sakes. Amen, amen, amen. How you doing, guys? How's everything going? Hope you are going all right. Hope everything's going fantastically. Hope your week is going as you wanted it, as planned. So like I said, we got a good one today. Today, Challenge Chat is back. Yeah, Challenge Chat. We got a 2-for-1 challenge. And they both involve Mr. DEBOE Vibes. Mr. DEBOE Vibes is one of the coolest, funniest, outrageous brothers I have ever seen on YouTube. Um, he does the 90s. He's all about the 90s vibe. He smokes cigars. Always got his beer with him. That's what I want to be like when I grow up. He finally reached his 1,000 subscribers. He's now over 1,000. So the challenge that I'm about to do was his 1K celebration challenge. It's called I'm Glad It's Friday. I hope I said it right. If I didn't, I will change it in the description. Um, Glad It's Friday challenge. And the other challenge that he's involved in is the Who You With challenge. Are you Team Blue Cheese or Team Ranch? And that was a collab video with um, Scrub the Ground and Tay Eats. So I'm gonna link everybody's information in the description box below, and go over and check them out. Go over and check them all out. They're awesome content creators. Awesome. So for the Happy It's Friday, you gotta have fried food. Thank you, DEBOE Vibes. Thank you. Fried food. So of course I got me some fried chicken. And I got me some French fries. And just to keep it a little healthy, got me spinach salad with croutons and cheese. And also got some pepperoncini peppers. Love these. Put a couple of these in here. 2, 3. Y'all want one? You want one? Take a bite. Take a bite. So, with the Happiest Friday challenge, like I said, you got to have the fried food. And you have to talk about why you joined YouTube. I'm sorry. Why you became a mukbanger. And also, you have to tell your favorite line from Friday. Now, this was really hard for me because Friday is one of those cult classic movies. It is a favorite. The trilogy is an all-time favorite of mine, and there's so many great lines from there. But I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do my favorite line first. Would have to be from the funny LaWanda Page. It was a scene where her and another Jehovah's Witness person, missionary, went to go knock on Craig's door, and he opened the door, and first line out of her mouth was, "Hello, do you know about Jesus' return?" And he looked at her and slammed the door, and she said, "Well, fuck you too, you half-dead looking motherfucker. Come on, sister," and walked away. I hollered. I screamed, I died when I saw that video. When I saw that part, I died. I lost it. I was like, who else they get but LaWanda Page to do that? Who else? So that's my favorite line. All right, so now we're gonna start eating. Gonna dress my food. Carbo's on deck. Carbo's on deck. Put this on my chicken. And I'm sorry if you hear noise in the background. One, it's hot, and I have my fan on, and two, I have my bedroom window open, so neighbors are playing music. So let's see. For this Who You With challenge, kind of difficult because I like both of them. But I will say on my wings, I do like blue cheese. So, oh, you plopped out. So I'm just gonna go ahead, put my blue cheese, and I'm not a dipper. Just put it on the wings. I'm not dipping. I don't have time for all that. And on my salad, I'm going Caesar. Yep, yep. I'm doing both of them. I guess uh that makes me buy because I like them both. And of course, my buddy came, my challenge buddy. So there's a thing that I have going on now where I need a name for him. So leave it down in the comments what name you should have, okay? All right. And remember, while I'm talking about it, because I always forget, give me a thumbs up if you liked my video. Let me know you do like it. Leave a comment down below. I read all my comments. I respond to all my comments. Share the video out if possible. And pop, smash that notification bell so that you'll be notified each and every time that I drop a video. All right? I'm eating now because I'm hungry. First meal. Yeah. So basically, I started watching mukbangs on YouTube during the pandemic, and I was like, that's something I want to do. It'd be fun. It looked like it'd be fun. So talked about it, talked about it, talked about it. Said I was gonna do it. Said I was gonna do it. Said I was gonna do it. I was watching Xena Grubbs. From Xena Grubbs, got turned on to Soulful Eats, so I was watching her. And they're both saying, just go ahead and do it. I was on hashtag Cannons Live one day, and I said, I'm really thinking about doing it. They was like, go ahead and do it. Just do it. Don't think about it, just do it. So, I actually had another channel that wasn't a mukbang channel. It was just me, viewing other people. So I made this channel, Eating with the J, in February of this year, and posted my first video in March. And I'm having fun. I really love it. It's so much fun. So for people who say that they want to do it, I say just go ahead and do it. Don't wait like I did. Because I actually waited maybe like almost a year before I actually did it. So just do it. Start it. Family. You have fun. The challenges are great. You meet some awesome people, some phenomenal people. And like I said, it's really for family orientated. Can't talk today. Family oriented. I think that's the right word. Orientated. Well, you know what I'm trying to say, JCrew members. So that's it. Once again, DEBOE Vibes. Congratulations on your 1,000 plus subscribers. You definitely deserve it. Definitely deserve it. You're gonna have many more too. I see you up there. I see you up there. I see you up there. See you up there. I see the little YouTube plaque on your wall. with the fan. I see it sitting right next to the fan. I see it. All right. So now, let's just talk. Let's just talk. So, I want to thank everybody for watching my videos. Video that I put out yesterday, Burn Bangs video. I am so sorry, guys. I know that video was hella long. It was. And I apologize for that. I apologize for that. But it's like once I started talking on that particular subject, you know, I just got caught up in it. Try not to do that again. I try not to do that again. That video was like 33 minutes long. So sorry, guys. Spinach salad, good. So, this Friday, I will be doing my very first live. And I think I'm going to do a live mukbang. Not sure what I'm going to eat yet. But I think I'm going to do a live mukbang. Also, going to be a question and answer. Got to be over the age of 18. Because I'm raunchy. I'm nasty. I don't care. Ask me anything. No question is too taboo. I'm going to answer every question. I think it's set for 9 o'clock. So, hope y'all tune in. Hope y'all not going to have me sitting here eating by myself on my first live. Not my family, not my JCrew family. One piece chicken. Now, chicken look a little dark. Now that I didn't burn it. That's the seasoning that I use. Have you ever heard of the gunpowder seasoning? That's what I use. And it actually has activated charcoal in it. So it makes it look black. Well, it is black. But it's so good. So good. It makes it, just adds a whole bunch of flavor to your food. Now, I have some JCrew members in Chicago. And if you don't know, I was born in Chicago, on the south side. So I need I need all my JCrew members to help me, especially those that live in Chicago. There's a person that I'm looking for, and I'm going to put their picture right here. Okay. He lived in Chicago. His name is Armand Rizzio. I'm going to put the spelling for his name underneath his picture, so you can go and look him up. He's a porn star. He's actually my type, or the type that I like. Now, the reason I'm looking for him is because next year, for my birthday, I would love to do a mukbang with him. And do a couple other videos with him. You know what I mean? Yeah. Trying to eat his ass. Pretty much. Come on, let's be real. Y'all already knew where I was going with this. You knew where I was going. Don't act like you brand new to this channel and you know where I was going, JCrew members. Little pepper. But I would love to do a mukbang with him. Actually, I would love to go live with him. So, all of my JCrew members, especially the ones in Chicago, put the word out to Armand Rizzio that Eating with Jay is looking for him and wants to do a mukbang with him. Okay. I'd appreciate that so much. Damn, this chicken is good. I tell you, my mama taught me how to fry some chicken. So, update. Went to the store. Had to go get some spinach and stuff. And I saw my friend. I spoke for a little while. Then he said, follow me. You know, just my little Spanish friend. I was like, oh shit again. So I followed him. Went to this room. And he basically shoved his tongue in my mouth. Which I was fine with. Just caught me off guard. Dude is such a freak. He's such a freak, and I love him. He was actually trying to undo my pants in the store, in this little storeroom. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. I have to tell him, whoa, 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 whoa. No, not here. Mm-mm. Not here, because I'm not going to, I don't want to see nobody's faces when they walk in or whatever. But he's so freaky. He is. I don't like that. But I'm having a good time with him. I'm having a good time with him. Yeah, I'll probably get into that, go more into it on Friday during the live. Mm. So, for those of you who didn't know, June is Pride Month. So, I want to say happy Pride to everybody. And when I say everybody, I mean everybody. Gay, straight, lesbian, bi, transgender, cis, don't matter. Happy Pride, everybody. So, me and my god sister, we used to go to the village years ago. For people who don't know what the village is, especially if you don't live in New York, it's a little gay area. It was actually where the whole gay rights movement actually started, with Stonewall. It's a lot of fun down there, like sex shops, body piercings, tattoos, restaurants. So me and my god sister, we always would go at least twice a month. We were down there having lunch. Um, at that point, I was not really into guys yet. Yeah, I would see them, thought they were attractive, but that was about it. I was on my female thing, and it was funny because I would always get looked at. Like me and my guys would be walking down the street, and pass some guys, and they just stare at me. She was like, they looking at you, right? I was like, yeah, but I don't know why. I knew why. Because all this sexiness is right here, all up in here, all this sexiness, and then I had my locks back then too, and they were long. They were down in my butt, and I would pull them up. It's like a man bun, a low man bun. Couldn't tell me nothing. I was playing it off. But it was fun. We actually used to try to see if guys would actually approach me with her. And funny thing is, down there for Halloween, big Halloween parade in the village every year. And I was dressed up as a pimp. And my god sister was supposed to be, she was supposed to be an alternative rock and roller, but it looked like she was a rock and roller mixed with a prostitute, and more prostitute. Because that was the comments that she would give. Hey, great prostitute outfit, da 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 da. So after a while, it was just like, thanks, you know. But yeah, that's when I got hit on by 3 or 4 guys that Halloween. And it was funny because I like, damn, really? You just bold like that, ain't you? Okay. Well, that's cool. But it was so much fun. Haven't been in a while. I actually need to go back down there too. Now that everything is opening back up. I'm still wearing my mask. I'm still gonna wear my mask. I'm not taking that. I'm not taking that chance. So, yeah. I think I hit on everything that I wanted to. Remember, I'm going live this Friday, 9 o'clock. It's probably good. Going live on Friday, 9 o'clock. Live mukbang Q&A. Well, got a couple of challenges coming up. That I'm actually going to be doing. I'm actually going to be relaunching some challenges that I've seen that I really fell in love with. Over the next 2 weeks, 2-3 weeks. What else? I think that's about it. You know, remember to like, give me a thumbs up, comment. I read them all and I respond to them all. Share the video out if you can. Smash that notification button. Hit that bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop a video. I just want to say thanks to all my JCrew members for supporting me and for riding with me. And I think this is the first video where I didn't burp. mm, 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 mm. Mm. All right, I'm out. I'm out of here, guys. I'm gonna call it. Remember, love yourself, love one another, take care of yourself, and take care of each other. I have a mouthful that didn't sound right. Love yourself, love one another, take care of yourself, and take care of one another. Until we see each other again. Peace.